The Salmonella Spp test. The testing kit contains a leaflet, 2 double-sided deep slide tests, 4 swabs. The Salmonella Spp testing kit is used to detect Salmonella in samples taken from the bird's crop or cloaca. How to run the test correctly. Before use, bring the testing kit to room temperature. 2 people are required to take the swab test correctly. 1 swab must only be used on 1 bird and the sample must be taken from 1 location, from the crop or the cloaca. Take the sample from the crop. Swab test can be also taken from the cloaca. Do not set the swab stick down. Twist off the lid with the testing plate attached to it. Carefully take it out to prevent contamination. Place the sample on side A or side B of the plate by pressing and rotating the swab stick. Discard the swab stick and immediately place the plate carefully back in the container, secure the lid, mark it and incubate. Do not reopen the container. Put the test in the incubator set to the temperature of 37 degrees Celsius for 18 to 24 hours. If an incubator is not available, keep the test in a dry place, away from the light, in temperatures between 23 to 37 degrees Celsius for 24 to 36 hours. Do not open the container to read the results. If the test is Salmonella positive, purple coloring will be visible on the surface of the plate.